name is Randy Leon. We're in Little Pine Restaurant in Silver Lake, California. So we like to do a lot of pasta in-house, fresh pastas. So the pasta dish we have is a wild oyster mushroom dish, locally sourced, a little confit tomato, some white wine butter sauce with a little chives and fresh parmesan on top. So here we have our locally sourced mushroom blend. It's from Fungi Valley here in Silver Lake, California. We have a little bit of yellow oysters, pink oysters, a couple hedgehog mushrooms up in there, a little bit of oil. Let's get that a little bit of love. So it's going to draw out a lot of moisture from the mushrooms themselves. Don't fiddle with them too much. What they want to do is they want to release their water, the water content that's in there. So the less that you move them around, the more that it has a chance to evaporate those waters and to caramelize the outside exterior, giving it a little more texture. I'll do a little pinch of salt to draw out that moisture a little more. Move that guy around a little. As you can see, we're starting to get a little crunch, a little texture on that, where we're looking for. The mushrooms are going to start to shrink. Our homemade fresh pasta. So tagliatelle that we do. That is a regular pasta, so instead of egg, what we do is we substitute with a brand of egg that is made out of mung bean. It seems to work fairly similar, gives it a good bite, good texture, combines it, gives it our yellow color that we're looking for as well. So now that those have wilted a little, they're a little aromatic, we're going to add some of these beautiful confit tomatoes. This is going to release more moisture, a little bit of oil from the confit itself. We got some color on there. Tomatoes are about to ready to burst. We got the heat on it. We're going to drop our pasta in. That goes for about 2-3 minutes. It's just going to float as soon as it's finished. Cooking, for me, is all about temperature control. Don't be afraid to take your thing on and off the heat just to regulate that temperature. It's going to still retain most of its heat and cook off. We're going to add a little bit of white wine, deglaze that part. A little more of that white wine. Nice knob of butter. All right. So as this is loosening up, add a little bit of that pasta water, make it a nice sauce. Now that this is floating, go ahead and dump that right on in. We're going to come at it again, mix it up, got a little toss action in there. Maybe a slight bit more pasta water. All that starch will make it creamy, delicious. While that's going, we're going to add a little chives, a little onion flavor. Good. Let that cook for a few minutes. Little knob of butter. Finish really quickly with a little fresh lemon juice. Everything you do, taste. A little quick salt. And we're gonna go right into the bowl. We're gonna finish it with a little shaved Parmesan. This is a cornstarch, rice-based Parmesan. This is our wild mushroom tagliatelle.